Hey devs, choosing between IntelliJ IDEA and Visual Studio Code? Let's break them down, compare their strengths, and see which one suits your needs. Stick around for a handy comparison chart. First, IntelliJ IDEA by JetBrains. It's a powerhouse IDE built for Java but supports languages like Kotlin, Python, and more with plugins. IntelliJ shines with intelligent code completion, deep refactoring tools, and seamless integration with frameworks like Spring and Maven. Its debugging and testing features are top-notch, and the UI is clean but can feel heavy on resources. The Community Edition is free, while the Ultimate Edition with advanced features costs about $149 per year. Now, Visual Studio Code, or VS Code from Microsoft. It's a lightweight open-source code editor, not a full IDE. But its massive extension marketplace makes it versatile for JavaScript, Python, Java, and beyond. VS Code is fast, customizable, and free, with great Git integration and a simple debugger. However, Java support relies on extensions which can feel less polished than IntelliJ's native tools. So, how do they stack up? IntelliJ is the go-to for Java developers, especially in enterprise settings, thanks to its robust out-of-the-box Java support. It's feature-rich but demands more system resources and can be pricey. VS Code is perfect for multi-language projects, web development, or if you want a lean, free tool. It's less specialized for Java but wins for flexibility and speed. Here's the breakdown. IntelliJ excels for Java, enterprise projects, and deep IDE features. VS Code is ideal for lightweight, cross-language coding, and budget-conscious devs. Choose based on your project needs. That's it, guys. Drop your favorite IDE in the comments and subscribe for more tech tips. Code on.